Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am excited to share with you another unboxing of a subscription box from Mindful Souls. This is the second unboxing I am doing for them this year. If you have been with me for a little bit, you will know that I once subscribed to Mindful Souls, and in fact I shared a few unboxings of my subscription with you. I have a playlist. I will link it down below so that you can go check that out. I mention that because I want to make clear that I would not have agreed to do an unboxing for them if I did not already experience for myself that the products they provide are good quality products and something that I am comfortable spending my money on. So that being said, I agreed to do another unboxing for them, and this time they also sent me a gift. They allowed me to select an item that they would then gift to me. They did not ask me to share that gift with you, but I'm going to anyway because it is so pretty. The gift, I'll start with the gift. In fact, the gift I received is the set of 12 genuine crystal bracelets. That's what I selected. If you know me, I'm a big fan, big fan of their jewelry and their bracelets, and just generally I enjoy wearing bracelets. So of course this is the gift I chose. Let me share with you what it looks like. I mean, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. And the fact that there are 12 bracelets in here, I will admit to you that I've had this for a little bit. This box arrived right before my family and I left for vacation. I took several of these bracelets with me to accessorize my vacation outfits, and because they were just so pretty. I had so much fun wearing these. They were so comfortable. I received so many compliments. I definitely want to share them with you. The set comes with a little brochure that identifies the stones. I will scroll this very slowly in case you want to pause and learn more about the different stones. From left to right, assuming I put them back in the box in the correct order, we have lapis lazuli, black obsidian, multi amazonite. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm not familiar with this stone. This is the first time I'm seeing it, I think, and experiencing it. Tiger's eye, amethyst, rose quartz, green aventurine, sodalite, carnelian, blue howlite, I believe, white howlite, and citrine. These were very comfortable to wear. They do have, I have a thicker wrist. These have a nice little stretch to them. These stones themselves are not sharp in any way. They don't cut or press into your skin. That's not something I experienced, and I think they look absolutely gorgeous. In fact, I'm just going to throw on a few here and leave them on. The color combination is stunning. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty, so very pretty. So I just had to share that. It was a very kind and generous gift to send, and I really appreciate it. The subscription box itself, I did cut the box open, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. I don't think I selected which subscription box they would send me. I think they just chose one and sent it to me. I am going to link Mindful Souls down below. If you're interested in just exploring their website and seeing if it's anything that you might be interested, these are affiliate links. Just keep that in mind. I will include them all down below. So of course you have the birds are singing. Of course they're singing. Can you hear them? Is that singing or are they arguing? Something going on. They just went from quiet to loud. Here is a really pretty affirmation card that you can add to your journal if you're into journaling. Another affirmation card. This is an affirmation for manifesting love. I have a lot of love in my life, but I guess I can always manifest more. As I focus on all the love around me, I attract even more love into my life. Absolutely agree with that wholeheartedly. I will add that to my ever-growing pile of affirmation cards. This is the brochure that lists the items. Let me take a quick peek. Yep, it does. I just wanted to make sure that's what it was that are in the box. I'm gonna open that up and put it to the side. Let's see. It seems the theme of this particular box is manifesting your dream life. Interesting. So let's open this up together. It's an exfoliating round body scrubber. That is new to me. I've never received anything like this in any of the past subscription boxes that I've received from them. So it's nice to see something different. That feels really nice. That's pretty cool. So we have that. And what? This feels really heavy. As you can see, they do take pride in packaging the items. Whoa, what is this? This is amazing. It is Himalayan salt soap. There it is. Right here. Himalayan salt soap. Himalayan salt soap. How to use. Use it as your daily cleansing method for an especially calming shower that not only leaves your skin refreshed, but also soothes your senses. Okay, I have never, ever tried this. And now this makes sense, right? This makes sense now that I see this. I cannot wait to try this. What is it? What does it smell like? Yes, I'm smelling this. Should it have a scent? It doesn't, which I appreciate. And it feels amazing. It's very smooth. Well, I will be trying this tonight. I am the type that enjoys taking late night showers. I find there are two types in this world. Those who shower at night and those who shower first thing in the morning. I am a night person, so I very much look forward to that. Let's see what's in this one. Nighttime showers are the best showers. So everyone in the house is asleep. You finally get some peace. No one knocking on the door, rushing you. Oh, this is pretty. What are you? Isn't that gorgeous? It is a clear quartz bookmark. Use it to mark your current self-growth read, your manifesting journal, or even your daily agenda. This is so pretty. And honestly, being a crafty person, I would perhaps add a pin to this and wear it as almost a brooch style item. I'm more likely to do that than use it as an actual bookmark. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Very pretty. Let's put that to the side. That felt like a ring. Are we getting a ring? We are. It is adjustable. I find most of their rings are. Oh, that is pretty. Let's see. It is a green fluorite ring. If you're looking to attract new friendships, wear it to places where you might meet like-minded people, parties, yoga, volunteer activities, or even your favorite coffee shop. I will be wearing it to work. Isn't it pretty? Beautiful. Very pretty. Love that. I'm gonna keep that on. Hopefully I'll remember that I have it on when I'm looking for it at the end of this video when I do a little wrap up. Now you get to hear my neighbor's dogs. I think they are barking for my dog. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is so pretty. Ocean agate palm stone is what it is. Beautiful. Put it in the shared area where your family spends most of its time. This could be your living room, the kids' playroom, or even the kitchen. Think of this stone as your home's peacekeeper. With its calming vibes, it promises to encourage patience and understanding within family dynamics, even when emotions run high. This is very pretty. I can just see my kid. I have a 17-year-old. Just picking it up. And rolling it in her hands. A bracelet. Isn't this pretty? Pink aventurine bracelet. That is gorgeous. Nice stretch to it. Oh, I love that it has a little spacer that has a little bit of a bling to it. Very pretty. I do believe that was the last item. It was. So let me go ahead and share the items with you again. We have a beautiful bracelet. We have a ring. I remembered I had it on. So pretty. We have the exfoliating body scrubber. We have the salt soap. Here is our ocean agate. So pretty. In fact, let me place this ring in this bracelet so you can see it because they're so pretty. And then we have this gorgeous bookmark. How awesome. So that is this month's unboxing of the Mindful Souls subscription box. My friends, if this is something that interests you, be sure to check them out. I will link them down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate you, my friends, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Until next time, my friends. Bye-bye.